Hello, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the long time no see. Been busy moving house, as you know. I've just not had time and I've not really had much to update you with, so apologies for that. Thought I'd make a video today just to catch up with you guys, just to let you know how we're all doing. George is fine and well, touch wood. Yeah, not a lot of progress has been made recently. I've not had a lot of time outside of work really. George is busy during the week ferrying my partner to work and back a couple of times a week, and that gets me onto my topic of today's video. Should you use a classic car throughout winter? Well, if you're in a situation like me where you've only got one car, you haven't really got a lot of choice, but yeah, had thought about getting a second car so I can take George off the road for the winter. It is on the cards, but cheap cars are just not a thing at the moment. So we're out today. It's the time I'm recording this is Sunday afternoon, just before 4. My partner's doing a night shift. He finishes at midnight tonight, so I'll have to go and pick him up a bit later. So no opening up for me. But yeah, all things are good with us, thank you. I haven't really had a lot to update you with, so I'm just making this video to say hello and just to let you know I haven't completely forgotten about everybody, and there will be more videos. It's just a miserable time of year for recording videos. I've got some more car reviews I want to do. My friend Bruce has got some more classic Fords. He's just bought another Escort, and what with it raining at the moment, it's not really ideal conditions for doing any videoing. So, because his cars are lovely, I can understand he doesn't want to take them out in all weather. So using a car throughout winter, it's not the most ideal situation really. You can do it. I say it's not impossible. Of course it's not impossible, but you've really got to keep on top of the cleaning. I haven't had a chance to wax all George yet. I've done the inner sill, but the underneath could really do with some wax oil protection, and of course it's completely the wrong time of year to be doing stuff like that, so the car needs to be bone dry for that to have a decent effect, which means waiting until next year. So what's next with George? Well, I've got a cylinder head to replace the one that's currently on the car. The replacement is from a later unleaded Metro, same cylinder capacity, but that's going to be far better for daily use. The reason I wanted to change it is there's an ongoing issue with it with George. He smokes a bit of oil first thing in the morning when he first starts the car up, which isn't a massive issue, but it's a bit embarrassing more than anything. I suspect it's faulty valve stem oil seals or a sticking valve. And the reason I say that is I did a compression test and that came back okay. It can't really be anything else because it doesn't smoke on a run, and there's certainly no issue with the cars running, touch wood. So don't know there. Oh, how do we get to these traffic lights? Ooh, that's good. So the traffic lights found it. There's major gas works going on this road. I'm just driving down now. It's been going on for absolutely weeks. And it's a 4-way traffic light control, so you're there for ages. So that was fortunate. That was lucky timing. So what are you guys been up to? Leave some comments. Let me know if you've got classic cars. The guys that follow the channel, or the guys and girls that follow the channel, really appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, let me know if you've got any classic cars, anything you use daily, or projects you'd like to have, projects you're currently working on. Oh, on another note, I don't know if it's of interest to anybody, but I've been thinking about doing some merchandise. Maybe like a George t-shirt. I'm looking at prices at the moment. I don't know how much interest there'll be. If it's just going to be me buying my own t-shirts, then it's a little bit pointless. So, what are you doing? This is a 30 miles an hour day, and you're crawling along like you're trying to pick up prostitutes. Right, now we're back in the garage. I'm going to dry the car off like I just said, and that just gets rid of any moisture and just prolong any rust that might potentially happen if we left it wet for long periods of time. But it's not going to be a miracle cure, but obviously it's just going to keep on top of it the best we can do. That's all you really can do this time of year with the way the weather is, if you're using a car on a daily basis like I am. So if there was a decent coat of wax on the car, that would have helped protect it further, but fortunately the car's fairly clean as it is, so I'm just going to carry on keeping it dry. So I've come back indoors to show you guys what I've been working on. This is the replacement cylinder head for George. It's out for a later Metro, so it's a 1275 unleaded head, which is much better for day-to-day use. Doesn't require the additive, although I probably will put the additive in when I'm running it. I've had the head apart, I've had the valves out, done the valve guides, lapped, new stem oil seals, clean and painted the head, made sure everything, all the passageways are clear and unblocked. I've fitted new studs for the thermostat housing because they can always be a bit of a pain when you're removing the old ones. I've also changed the studs on the back for the manifold. So it is just really a question now. One bolting the old one, bolting the new one and with a new gasket in between. That's the plan anyway, and hopefully with some time off in December, it might even be around Christmas, because I think realistically that's the next amount of time I'm going to have off work. We'll hopefully get that done and on camera for you, so there'll be some content coming up. Please bear with me, there will be some more content, but probably not till next month now. So until then, goodbye from me and goodbye from George. Really got to stop doing that. To Ronnie's reference. Love that show. Until then, see you soon. Bye.